Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have a couple of things. One, kind of the weekend deal, and two, another item you can get, a new item you can get during the Spring Black Friday sale. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And here we are. I say kind of weekend deal because this is going on from Monday 4/20 to Thursday 4/23. So let's just go over the coupon. It is a super coupon, in-store only, with any purchase of $29.99 or more. And the reason I think they're doing it Monday is because, of course, we have the extended parking lot sale, the extended Spring Black Friday going on now. And I'll show you the item that is now available for Braun. We'll get into it. But because they're doing the Spring Black Friday, that's my theory as to why they pushed this out to Monday, but maybe there'll be another weekend deal. We'll see. But here, free hat with any purchase of $29.99. Super coupon for everybody. Monday the 20th through Thursday the 23rd. Coupon limit one coupon per customer per day, valid in store only while supplies last. Receive a free hat with minimum purchase, excluding taxes and after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. Don't hate me, HARBROs, for the weekend deal. I just bring you the weekend deal. I have no power over it. And I feel like Harbor Freight has regressed. At one point, they had a free hat with any purchase. And we'll look at the ITC version. But this is the super coupon for everybody. Of course, cannot be combined with any other offers or prior purchases, excludes ITC Club, Inside Track Club memberships. So that's the super coupon for everybody. And there is an ITC version. And this one is different. I don't recall it being this specific, but it's a free hat with any $15 purchase. And also limit one usage per customer per day, valid in store while supplies last. Valid 4/20 to 4/23. And again, no coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Now, the thing about these coupons, they're only worth it if you're in the store during those days. So if you're already making a trip Monday through Thursday, and you're already planning on spending money, it's likely that you'll get to the $15 limit. Maybe, maybe not. But if you do go in, maybe it is because there's a new Braun 4200 lumen LED rechargeable heavy duty clamp light that is eligible for the 40% off 40% off all Braun lights. So it's a high output work light, delivers 4200 lumens with an adjustable head and a dual use spring clamp for versatile light placement. And so that's interesting. Of course, magnets are great unless you don't have a magnetic metal to place it on. And so in that case, a clamp would become pretty useful because here they have it on a wooden post. And it's just, yeah, of course, you don't always have, and here it's standing, which is pretty nice. So magnetic is nice, but clamp can be just as nice. So anyways, a versatile light from Braun appears to have a charger. It's $55, but of course, 40% off. Get it down to $33. So it could be worth a flyer, brand new, unlikely to get this discount on Braun again this year. So they just wanted to give that heads up. Brand new Braun 4200 lumen LED rechargeable light. And those are the couple new items at Harbor Freight. Braun new light. Get it down to $33 with the 40% off. We got weekend after weekend deal after extended parking lot sale. Free hat. And actually, yeah, these will not overlap, but just an option as a reminder for the remainder of the parking lot sale. And then the after weekend deal, free hat. Either spend $30, super coupon for everyone, or if you're ITC, if you happen to be in those days and you spend $15, then don't forget to ask for your free hat. But I'll leave it at that. This was a short one. How's everybody's parking lot sale finalizing? We got the extended parking lot sale. Anybody picking anything else up? Did they restock at your stores yet? Anyways, let me know in the comments. And as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. Maybe checking out the merch store. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.